Which country helped to set up Cochin Shipyard? Japan. Cochin Shipyard was designed and constructed under technical collaboration with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, M.H.I, Japan. Cochin Shipyard Limited, CSL, is the largest shipbuilding and maintenance facility in India. Cochin Shipyard was incorporated in 1972 as a Government of India company. The first ship to roll out of the Cochin Shipyard was the MV Rani Padmini in 1981. Cochin Shipyard is currently building India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, INS Vikrant. Who is the second president to visit Siachen? Shri Ram Nath Kovind. Siachen is the world's highest battlefield. Located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas. Shri Ram Nath Kovind visited Siachen Base Camp on the 10th of May 2018. He is the second president of India to visit Siachen. The previous and the first president to visit Siachen was APJ Abdul Kalam in April 2004.